bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Hey guys, it's Kylie. Today's look is very strongly inspired by a makeup artist I found over on Instagram. Her name is Gabrielle Alvarez. I'll put up some of my favorite pictures of her because her work is beautiful and I am always so shocked by how unique her looks are. Today's look isn't necessarily inspired by any colors in specific, more so the shape and technique, and so I'm really excited to show you guys this look. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. It really helps out my channel. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so my brows are on. I'll link that video in the cards above. Now I'm gonna prime my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape. Now I'm just going to set that concealer in place with the Coty Airspun powder. Now with the shade Love Letter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, I am going to start packing that on the outer corner of my eye in kind of a wing shape. Now with the shade Royal Jewels from the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop So Jaded palette, I'm going to buff that in my crease, focusing it more towards the center of my eye. I'm going to prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'm concealing any discoloration with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm setting that concealer in place with the Coty Airspun powder. I'm going to contour a little bit with the Wet n Wild contouring palette in Dulce de Leche. Now I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to add a little bit more color into my face. And I'm popping a little bit of the Tarte blush in Party on my cheeks. What? Are you okay? Did you get that? Oh my god, he's so cute! Now I'm gonna hit the high points of my face with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter and Be My Highlight. Gonna line my lips and fill them in with the MAC Burr Cream Stick Liner. Now I'm popping on a little bit of the matte cream sheen glass and Double Happiness. Redefining my freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. Going back into Love Letter, I'm going to buff that on the outer edge of my lower lash line and connect it with the wing. I'm blending out that shade a little bit further with Royal Jewels. You could leave the look as is, pop on some normal inner corner highlight and some mascara and call it a day, but I want to add a little bit more color, and so I'm going to take Lookin' Fresh from the Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette and pop that on my inner corner. Now with the shade Diamond from the So Jaded palette, I'm going to pat that on my inner corner and towards the inner half of my lid. Alright, and I want a little bit more sparkle, and so with the NYX glitter primer and some rhinestones I have off Amazon, I'm gonna pop those on my eyes. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes and pop on some of the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. Okay, so I played around with the idea of putting on lashes, but I'm honestly just liking how this looks with just mascara. And so that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.